Did you know that you can build multiple streams of income online with just your smartphone, even as a student? In the next few minutes, I will show you simple and realistic ways to make your first $1,000 online, starting with just your smartphone. And make sure you don't skip any part of this video because I will be sharing a proven strategy that will help you to make your first $1,000. So make sure you follow every detail. Making money online is actually very simple. When you understand this, you don't get paid for resisting. Rather, you get paid for solving a real problem. That is it. Once you understand this, you will stop chasing random methods and start focusing on what actually works. Right now, one of the fastest and easiest ways to make your first $1,000 online is by offering a simple service, and that doesn't require you to be an expert. Now, let's talk about real opportunities. The internet has made it possible for you to earn money in ways that didn't exist before, right? And a lot of people are already taking advantage of this. For example, people are making money online right now by publishing books on Amazon KDP. They are making money by reselling digital products like ebooks, templates, planners, and more. Even reselling digital services, doing affiliate marketing, running simple ads for businesses, offering visual assistant services, translating content, even transcribing audio to text, managing email lists, building simple websites with no coding tools, writing simple content for blogs and businesses. People need this. Even editing videos for creators, managing social media pages, designing basic graphics using tools like Canva, which is also free. Doing voiceover for people, even creating YouTube automation content. Some YouTubers are also paying for thumbnails and even using AI tools to speed up all of this. That is why tools like ChatGPT and more can actually help you. And you are using free tools to do all of this. None of them require you to be a professional before you start. Most of them are things you can learn maybe in few days and improve as you go. And that is the difference between people who make money online and those who don't. You don't wait for the perfect time to start. The right time to start is now. Don't be among the group that wait to become perfect. Rather, be among the group that starts small and figure it out on the way. So, if you're a complete beginner, the smartest place to start is with services, rendering service to others. Why? Because it is the fastest way to get paid right now. You are no longer waiting for months to get paid. You are not building something complicated. You are simply offering value to someone who already needs it, right? And the best part is, you don't need to do everything manually anymore. We are in a time where tools can actually help you to work faster. For example, you can use AI to write books, generate ideas, assist with research, and even help you complete tasks quicker. So, instead of thinking, I don't have skills, why not start asking yourself, what can I learn quickly and start offering immediately? Even if you start with something small, like helping someone edit videos, that can be your entry point. Now, let's talk about something very important. Your first $1,000 is not about making a lot of money, okay? It's about proving to yourself that this actually works. Because once you make that first money online, your mindset changes completely. You will stop doubting that making money online is not real. And you will start improving immediately. But if you keep waiting for the perfect time to start, overthinking or watching videos without taking action, nothing will change. Now is the perfect time to start. So here is what I want you to do. Pick one thing from everything you've heard me mention. Focus on it and give it your full attention. I mean your maximum attention. That is how results start. I would like to know which of these you are actually going to try. Drop it in the comments. I want to see who is serious and who is just watching. And if you're someone who wants to understand this space properly, not just randomly jumping from one thing to another, you might consider purchasing any of our courses. This is where I've broken things down in such a way that you don't have to guess or try to figure out how to leverage the internet for your own advantage again. You can start with a Kindle Direct Publishing course or digital and WhatsApp marketing course. I want you to check out the link in the description and pin comment for more details. It might also interest you to know that you can start making your first $1,000 with our affiliate links. Yeah, this is a huge opportunity, not only for beginners, but intermediate too. And everything you need to make your first $1,000 is already provided for you, yeah. So that you don't have to do all the hard work alone. I've already done that part. And if you're someone who enjoys writing, I've created a prompt pack that will help you to improve your writing skills and write as a professional author. You can also use it even as a complete beginner. And if you want to make a business inquiries that require talking one-on-one with me, you can reach me via WhatsApp or email through the link in the description and pin comment. In the next video, I'm going to show you something most people overlook. I want you to do one thing for me. That is to like this video that you're watching right now so that YouTube will recommend it to more people that needs to see it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what we are doing here, and also turn on your notification bell, as this will motivate me to keep bringing more information on your ways. Also share to people you would like to help. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.